In this video, we were talking about an amazing new meme coin called Shiba Memu. We'll go over the project, I'll tell you what you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video. And before we start with Shiba Memu, I actually do want to say that all the links you will need for this project and for the pre-sale, which has actually started 4 days ago only, and they have already sold over 19 million tokens. If you want to check that out, check out the links down in the description, and there you can actually find out how to navigate to Shiba Memu. Alright, so in this video we'll talk about Shiba Memu, the next revolutionary meme coin, as they describe themselves, which actually combines AI and blockchain technology to create an unstoppable, entirely self-sufficient marketing powerhouse, which in meme coins, as you all know, is one of the most important things. And Shiba Memu actually has a revolutionary system doing this, which is already working right now, which I'll actually tell you a little bit about. And then in general, I'll tell you how to participate in the pre-sale and everything you need to know about Shiba Memu. So that's what we'll do in this video. Let's get into it. So the main thing that Shiba Memu has is that it's using AI-based software that can learn from successful marketing strategies, write its own PR, and promote itself across relevant forums and social networks. So as it advances, the Shiba Memu token will become more intelligent and powerful, growing exponentially on its way to become a leading player in the cryptocurrency markets. So this is absolutely key. Right now, obviously, we had a boom with a lot of meme coins, but most of the meme coins actually died out relatively quickly because at some point of time, there's no more money to market, and there's no more people to market, and there's no more marketing behind the token. Shiba Memu actually wants to change this, or is changing this, by using AI algorithms, doing that marketing for them so that they can focus on the community. Apart from that, Shiba Memu is also audited, so if you actually want to buy that, like I said, all the links will be down in the description. You can buy it via Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain right here. And right now you can see that they raised over $200,000. If you want to participate, the only thing you have to do is connect your wallet, approve the spending of USDT on Ethereum or BSC, and then you can actually purchase the tokens and claim them when the pre-sale is done. So by participating in the pre-sale, by the way, you can also participate before it goes live on exchanges. So you can actually buy it at a lower price than where it's listed at. Now, lastly, just quickly, the pre-sale will last about 8 weeks. So that's 8 weeks from the 4th of July. And then the pre-sale will end and you'll be able to claim your tokens. But now a little bit more about Shiba Memu. The meme coin space is obviously very, very competitive. So how Shiba Memu wants to position itself well in that space, which also holds Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu, which you all know probably, is by multiple things. So first of all, that AI-based marketing system and algorithm actually ensuring that there is enough marketing and that keeps going on and keeps the hype and momentum behind Shiba Memu. But apart from that, they also have that heavy focus not only on those Doge-like meme coins, which they're trying to position themselves in, but apart from that, they're also very heavily focusing on AI. So they have different tools. So for example, they have predictive analysis, sentiment analysis, and personalization, all within their platform, which they're actually developing right now. And apart from that, also image and video recognition and NLPs, which are natural language processings, which all together help that AI-based marketing algorithm to market Shiba Memu and to jump on the best trades as well as possible. Now on their website, if you scroll down, you can also actually check out the roadmap. So there you can see that right now we're really at the early stages where they're launching the Shiba Memu token on the Ethereum blockchain, staking program and liquidity things. Then apart from that, then in Q4, they're actually going on to the development of the AI marketing dashboard. So there the development really goes into working and into development. And right now they are trying to launch that in Q1 of 2024. And then they're trying to do the big marketing and listings on major exchanges towards the middle and the end of 2024. So there you can actually expect most of the growth, and therefore it's also really a long-term focused project. Now, last of all, Shiba Memu is also trying to build a great community. So you can also, like I said down at the beginning of the video and earlier as well, all of the links to Shiba Memu and all of their platforms like Telegram, Twitter, and their website will be down in the description. But it's also very much appreciated if you follow them on Twitter. They're trying to grow a huge community on there. So there you can interact with them and there's some real connection between you and the team. But for now, that's Shiba Memu. I tried to give you a quick summary of what this meme coin is about, why it has potential, but also what the pre-sale is, what's going on there, and how you can participate in this pre-sale. So if you actually found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.